Above all else, your logo needs to be functional. It needs to work really small if you're going to put it on the side of a pen. It needs to work really big scale if you're going to put it on the side of a building. You need to think about that before you actually design your logo. Consider the level of detail. I always say that simple is best when it comes to a logo. Where does it need to work? Well, most likely it's going to need to work on your website, but think about other instances too. Is it going to be embroidered onto any corporate clothing? Is it going to be put on any merchandise giveaway kind of stuff? And if it is, what are the practical implications of this? So does it need to be solid colour? Does it need to be block colour? All these things you need to think about right from the beginning. Do you need an icon? Sometimes yes, it's really nice to have an icon that you can put on your social media posts. Sometimes no, actually strip it right back to just a logo type. Is it legible? This has got to be the most critical element. Can you read the name of the company? You might think that's obvious, but you might be quite surprised. Do you need two versions of a logo? Does it work in a portrait format, but actually does it really need to work in a landscape format as well? This often trips people up on their website. If they design a beautiful logo that works really well as a square or as a portrait, but then it just doesn't transfer across to their space that they have available on their website. And my final top tip for your logo design, in the interest of keeping it really simple, don't put your strapline with your logo. Yes, by all means have a strapline, but it doesn't need to go in a tiny font below the name of your company. You can put your strapline wherever you want. It doesn't have to be locked to your logo. I hope that helps. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I shall see you next week.